Today we will explore the key section for Contact Us page. First, pencil banner. Second, header section. Contact Us section. Fourth, contact form. And the last, footer section. Let's see it live. Pencil banner, eye-catching graphic to draw attention to the contact section. Header section is the main title of the contact page. And Contact Us section, a clear label for the page, often used in navigation bar. Contact form, easy to use this form for visitors to submit inquiries, feedback and orders. Footer section, used for contact information like phone number, emails and social media links. So are you ready to supercharge your online store? Join our Ecom Masterclass series and take action now.